Hello each and everyone, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. I didn't put out a video yesterday guys. It was my birthday, my birth, my happy birthday. So I told myself happy birthday. So guys, today I'm gonna be giving you a really great video. It's buttermilk fried chicken I'm making today with some waffles, alright? So it's gonna be great. So I'm gonna jump in, show you all the spices for my buttermilk fried chicken. I make buttermilk fried chicken before on my channel, but today this one is going with some homemade waffles, alright? So we're just gonna jump in and get that buttermilk fried chicken going with some homemade waffles today. I'm just gonna marinate the chicken, show you what's going inside, alright? So this is my chicken here already washed. I washed with some vinegar and lime juice. So and they're cut in nice pieces, guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got going on the chicken. I got a tablespoon of paprika. I got a tablespoon of chicken spice right here, and a teaspoon of all-purpose mix. And I also have a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, and I got a half a teaspoon of mustard powder here, and I got a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. That's what's gonna marinate the chicken. All right. So just gonna show you. I keep the skin on when you're frying. It's good to keep the skin on. The middle bone inside the thigh right here, you may want to break it, or you use a knife to poke it, so you don't get that bloody in your chicken. It's soaked properly when you break it or cut it open. So just break the bones right in the thighs right here. And I kind of do the same thing with the wings, just like that. All right, so we're just gonna pour the spices on here. And the paprika gives it a nice color. Get the black pepper and the cayenne on there. Chicken spice. And I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge, guys, for about an hour. You can rub the spices underneath the skin. Make sure it coated nicely on the chicken. Do the same thing with the legs. You want it to be seasoned to the bone. Alright. This is looking good. Beautiful. So we're just gonna pop this in the fridge. It's gonna sit in there for about an hour. Alright. And I'll just show you guys quickly the flour I got right here. I got 2 cups of flour right here. We're gonna use to bread the chicken. And I'll get the spices, show you what's going inside. So right here, I'm just gonna show you what's going inside the flour. I got 2 teaspoons of baking powder right here. Going in the flour. I got a tablespoon of paprika. And a teaspoon of oregano going in there. We got a teaspoon of garlic powder. and a teaspoon of onion powder. And I got a half a teaspoon of black pepper and teaspoon of the chicken spice and teaspoon of the all-purpose spices. It's going right inside my flour. I'm just going to whisk that together. So you can use your hands or a whisk to mix it properly, or a fork. And we're going to set this aside. Just like we set the chicken aside in the fridge, this is going to set aside. And we're going to get back and start frying some chicken. Okay guys, so I'm doing sweet potato fries. My daughter, she wants sweet potato fries instead of the waffles, guys, so I changed up the recipe a bit. On the buttermilk fried chicken and the waffles, I'm gonna do some sweet potato fries and some plantain fries. All right, so that's what's gonna go with it. I'll do my waffle recipe another day. All right, I'll make some waffles for you guys. I'm just cutting up some sweet potatoes right now. Just gonna blanch them off in the water for like 3 minutes, and we're gonna get our chicken ready to drop it. I'm gonna get my oil on right now. So while my oil is getting hot right now, I'm gonna get these down in some water. Got a pot of water right here. Put the sweet potatoes inside. We're just going to blanch these for 3 minutes. All right, 3 minutes max. Put the lid right back on it till it comes back to a boil, and 3 minutes it should be ready. All right, the oil is getting hot right now. I'm using the fryer today. So we're just going to get the chicken and some flour, the buttermilk, and we're going to start frying. So these are pretty much done right now. I'm just going to shut the stove off, stop the timer. I'm going to drain the water from this pot right here. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do right now is start doing the chicken. Just going to pour some of this right over this chicken right here. 2/4 cups of the buttermilk over it. And what we're going to do, put them right in this flour right here. Right, in this flour. All going in there. Just coat them a bit. Take them out back. Put them back in the same bowl. All right. Right back in that same bowl there. And this smells so good. They haven't hit the oil yet. Beautiful. So this is just my technique of frying the chicken. You guys can try it out and tell me what you think. Gives a nice crispiness to the chicken. Now we're just gonna pour this buttermilk all over it. And guys, this buttermilk chicken I'm doing right now is a little bit different from the other one. This one has a little bit more spices to it. I put cayenne pepper in there, as you could see. All right, so just get them nice, soak in this, and just gonna pull them right out of the buttermilk and put them right back in the flour, or you could put them in a bag. All right. just push them right down in the flour. And this method helps to hold the flour on the chicken when you do it the way I'm doing it right now. Right, just gonna remove my glove. All right, just gonna put my cover on this. I'm just gonna get out this flour. So as I said, you can put it in a bag, Ziploc bag. Just get it coated the same way. All right, we're going over to the fryer right now. So what I'm doing right now, just shake the chicken off a bit. Gonna get them on this pan right here. You can tell they're coated nicely, guys. Take a look. Gonna get them ready. All right, so we're gonna get some chicken in here right now. Beautiful pieces. They are looking lovely. All right, so we're gonna start out with 5 pieces. Just want to show you guys what the chicken looks like. They're beautiful pieces. I'm just going to flip them over for a few more minutes. It should be done. So I just pull these up out of the oil. I'm just going to let them drain a bit here, and just going to check the temperature with a probe here. Make sure they cook. Perfect. Yeah, these are over 180 Fahrenheit, so it's good. These are perfectly done. And still nice and moist on the inside. Beautiful. Alright, so just gonna get those out. So just want to show you guys what I'm doing right here. That's the sweet potato. I just had a little bit of flour and cornstarch to it to bring back that nice starchiness to the potato because they're blanched. So they'll be nice and crispy when they come out of the fryer. So just a little bit of cornstarch. I got 3 tablespoons of cornstarch on this and 4 tablespoons of flour. I throw right inside, toss it together. It's going in the fryer. Right now, guys, we're gonna drop these sweet potatoes right inside. These are gonna come out beautiful, really lovely. So I just made some coleslaw to go with the chicken. This is 5 cups of shredded cabbage. I got a third of a cup of shredded carrots inside, and a third of a cup of mayo, and 2 tablespoons of honey, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I got 1 tablespoon of white vinegar inside. And pretty simple coleslaw. That's what we're gonna serve with the chicken and the sweet potatoes and the plantain. Okay guys, look at these sweet potatoes. They're coming out so nice and crispy. Wow, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about right there. So we're gonna get the plantain down right now. Okay guys, so getting some plantain on the plate right now. I got the fries on there. They're so nice and crispy. You get the plantain fries on there also. These are beautiful, beautiful. Right, lovely. Get a nice piece of chicken right here. Beautiful piece of chicken on the plate. That's what I'm talking about right there. And there's some coleslaw right here. This is beautiful for a nice lunch or dinner. Take a good look at it. That's how crispy those fries are. Okay, it's time to eat. So okay, it's time to try out this chicken here. Try the fries. Beautiful crunch to this. Wow. You guys gotta try this. A little bit of cornstarch and the sweet potato. Bring back the starchiness to it. Crispy, sweetness. It's amazing. I'm just gonna break right into my chicken right here. Look at that. Juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. That's what we're talking about. We turn up flavor here. Wow. The flavor. It's up. Amazing. The chicken is so moist. You can taste the spices. It's really good. That nice crispy the chicken. I'm loving it. Everything turns out really good. Amazing. And right here we got the coleslaw with the honey inside. No sugar. You know what? This is nothing but love. I'm gonna stop. Wow. All I want to say, thanks for watching. Keep on liking and sharing the videos. Subscribe, hit that red button. And just don't watch it for yourself, please. Share the videos. Alright? I didn't give you guys a video yesterday. It was my birthday, as I said. So, today I give you something great. And I'm gonna start doing videos just 3 times a week. I'll give you guys those days, but it's going down to 3 times a week. So again, thanks for watching again. Keep on liking, sharing the videos, subscribe. Catch you in the next.